Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Gong step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write Gong. Means public. Common. Fail. Or father-in-law. For example, 公交. Gong jiao means public transportation or bus. Check this sentence. Can I have a bus timetable? Can I have a bus timetable? 可以给我一份公交时刻表吗？可以。给我 Can I have 一份公交时刻表 Bus timetable 公交 Bus 时刻表吗？可以给我一份公交时刻表吗？ Can I have a bus timetable? 可以。给我一份公交时刻表吗？ Can I have a bus timetable? 可以给我一份公交时刻表吗？公 in cursive. 公 public, common, fail. Father-in-law 公交 bus. Can I have a bus timetable? 可以给我一份公交时刻表吗？ Okay, please comment any sentence with 公. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.